Come close, let me tell you something. Do you know that you can employ AI to be your personal photographer for your products? It's going to help you screen high quality products as if you took it in a studio. Maybe far better than what you're going to pay someone to take it in a studio for you, right? So I'll see you inside this video. Don't miss this video for anything.
So today I'll be teaching you how to create high quality, very high quality product images from normal photos using AI. Like you could take a normal photo of your product and use AI to enhance the quality so that it looks like a high quality image on, say, an e-commerce website or any of the big companies. You know, all of those images that they took with a digital camera, like a very expensive digital camera. That is what we're going to be doing with AI with your product. Now, your product could be anything, but the quality of your product is so poor and low, like very low quality. The idea behind anything I'm showing you today is to enhance your product so that it looks good on either your website, if you want to put it on your website, or you want to use it to for your social media posts. Maybe you have a discount and everything. You know, your product should be presentable, should be of high quality. Now, I'll give you what I'm going to use for this video. The illustration, the example I would be using would be one of my shoes. You understand? I want to be as real as possible. That's why I just took a random picture of my shoes, right? Let me show you the shoe I'm talking about. So let's say this is the shoe. I sell shoes, that this is one of my products, right? As you can see, this is a raw picture like of my shoes. I want to enhance this image. This is another one. This is a second image. So I'm going to upload these images. I will upload the both of them on a platform called Google Flow, and I'll put a prompt, and Google Flow is going to generate a high quality product image from these shoes, for these shoes, sorry, and we're going to do it together, right? So let's get to it. Now, here is a prompt I'll be using. I'll be using this prompt, and I'll be doing some editing. Before I go to Google Flow, let me edit this prompt, and we're going to do it together, right? So if this is looking interesting, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, right? So that we can get to the next phase of this. Now, here is the prompt. Transform this product photo into a professional high-end e-commerce product image. The product, you come here and you describe your product, right? The background settings, you describe the background settings that you need. You see, you could do all of these things from your end. And then the lighting, you could describe the lighting that you want, the camera angle, you do the description. If you want the camera angle to be eye level, or if you want it to be front facing hero shots, or you want it to be slightly elevated, you're going to put it here. That means you'll be editing all of this. You'll be editing all of this. You'll be editing, say for instance, you come to the product, you edit this, right? But let's do it practically for my shoes. I've already compiled the details of what I want the shoe to look like when I'm done refining it into a product image. So I'll come to this document. This document is where I saved the details I want my shoe quality to be like. So for the product, here is the description for my shoe product. So you're going to come up with your own description, right, for your own product. So a pair of brown suede low top sneakers with a padded ankle collar, thick contrast laces, and a chunky rubber outsole. This is the description of this my product. This is my shoes, right? So you are going to create the description for your own product. You could use AI to do that. What you're going to do is you could go to AI and upload it, maybe Claude or ChatGPT, upload the image and ask it to give you a description for that product, for the product you uploaded, right? I'm not going to do that here because I've already done it for my shoes, and this is what I generated from AI, right? So I'll copy this, go back to this document and remove this and paste this. So as you can see, it's starting to make sense. Product, a pair of brown suede low top sneakers, this, right? Then the second one will be the background setting, background stroke setting. I'll come back here and copy this. This is the background settings that I need for my shoe product. So I'll come here, remove this and paste this under background stroke settings. For lighting, I'll come here. This is the kind of lighting I want for the product. Come here, remove this and paste. For the camera angle, I already have a camera angle that I want, which is a 3/4 side angle showing both shoes paired neatly together, right? So I will edit this, and for the composition, I'll come back here and copy this for the composition. Like I said, AI would help you to generate all of these details if you want to, but you could do it yourself. Like, you know your product better, you know what you want, the kind of quality. But if you are confused about the kind of quality, the camera angle and everything, you just tell AI you're going to take this prompt. Remember, I'll provide this prompt for you. You take this prompt, go to AI and tell AI to provide all of the details that you could use for a good camera angle for your product. Then you upload the product on AI, on either Claude or ChatGPT. So the next one would be details to preserve. Okay, I think I stopped at style stroke mode. Okay, that should be this one. Copy it. And paste it here. Then details to preserve. I would copy this. And paste it. The quality, I will come here, copy this and paste it here. So we're done with everything. I'll provide this document for you, right? I'll provide the document. You could do the editing from your end, just like I did it, right? You need to watch this video more than once so that you would understand what I'm trying to do here. So now I'm done with filling all of the details. I'll copy this prompt and go to Google Flow. Just go to Google Flow, go to your browser and type Google Flow, right? I already have an account with Google Flow. So basically, Google Flow is a free Google tool that you could use for image generation. So far, it's one of the best free tools that you could use to do this, if not the best, right? So Google Flow is like amazing, right? So I'll just open my account I have there. If you don't have an account, you could just sign up a free account, a new one. That is as easy as nothing, right? So your Google Flow would open this way, and we're just going to click on new product. Okay, let me click on get started. I don't know. Okay. I'm trying to find the option to create a new, I think they've changed their interface. Okay, let's see. I don't want to do that. Okay, I don't know why they change their interface. There should be a new project option. Okay, this is it, right? So when you create your Google Flow account, you just scroll down, you see new project. So if I click on new project, remember I've copied the prompt from here. So I'll come here and paste the prompt. Then I'll select, the next thing you should do is you need to select the dimension that you want the image to show. If you want it to show in a landscape format, you come here and pick 16 ratio whatever 9. I don't know how to pronounce this. If you want it to show like a square, like a Facebook post or Instagram post or anything, you use this one. I think is 916 or so, but I think the ideal ideal product image size should be 1/1. So let's pick this one, right? So when you pick it, it's going to now generate it in square format. If you want it to be generated in a landscape format, right, more like triangular format, you use 16:9. So let's pick 1:1 for this. So I'll click on save and I'll go back. So our prompt has been pasted already. The next thing is for me to upload. I'll click on this plus sign and upload. Go to upload. I'll go to upload and upload those images, the images of my shoes, right? Okay, I'll go to upload media at the bottom here. Sorry, I'll click on upload media and go to my downloads and pick these images. So this is how you're going to upload your own image, your own product images you plan to use you plan to refine. You understand? So I've uploaded them, and I'll just go back to the prompt and click this option, this arrow option. So if I click on this arrow, it's going to generate a refined version of these shoes that I uploaded. So let's wait for it to get that done. So it's almost done generating. Ooh, this is beautiful, right? So you see what it came up with, right? See what it transformed our shoe into. You see, that is what I'm talking about. So this is the product image we generated from this. See, we got this from this. You could use this on your website. You could use it to sell your products. You could use it for, you understand? So this is the idea behind the video, right? You could do this for any product. You could do this, and man, this is going to refine any image you have out there, right? So I'll be sharing this prompt. Be sharing this prompt with every one of you in the comment section. You just need to subscribe to my newsletter, and the welcome email that you get when you subscribe to my newsletter would contain all the resources I've used for my YouTube videos. The resources I'm talking about here are my prompts. You're going to see the prompts. I named them. With each of the videos I have done, right? So you see the prompts and you could just click on it and access it for free, right? So share this with your friends, share it with your family members that you think would find it valuable. And lastly, if you want us to have a one-on-one section and discuss about your business, right? I'm going to put the details on how you can reach out to me and we could book a section, and I'll see you at the top.